welcome to the fourth and final part of Shaolin Yijin Jing. So we're starting off, we're bringing our hands behind the head, and we are just lightly tapping with our index fingers on the back of the head. We are exhaling as we come down, we're still tapping, almost as if it was a heartbeat tapping. We come all the way down into the knees, and we inhale and exhale while in this crouched position. We continue to tap, we inhale as we come up, and then there's a very explosive exhale. Good, and then the hands are coming down, back to the center line. We're interlocking fingers, and exhale up. Looking back as far as we can. So we're really extending, taking an inhale and exhale while we're in that posture. Looking straight up, so the head is really far back, almost a 90 degree. And then exhale as we come down, still fingers interlocked. And then we're right around halfway up to the shin. We inhale, looking straight up, and exhale down. Continue that exhale all the way, turning any direction. Inhale, and then looking towards the back. And exhale. Carry that exhale across. Inhale front, to the side, to looking back. And then exhale back to center. Inhale, coming up the center line again. And exhale. And finishing with our closing. And we're bringing the hands towards the lower dantian. And as we started out with those 20 slow breaths, we end with 20 slow breaths. Except this time, we have Lao Gong, our palms are facing towards the lower dantian. We have Lao Gong is engaged. And we begin to breathe, sinking the flesh against the bones. So this is really the process where we have done all the work. We've created this, moving this energy. And now this is the part of the process where we just allow that energy to do and to go to the places it needs to go, and to do the work it needs to do without us really participating. We are just watching and feeling, observing internally what the energy is doing within our bodies. This part of the process is known as Wu Wei. It's the non-doing. That's right. Just allow the breath to settle all the way down at the lower dantian. That's coming to the end now. We're bringing up one last time and down. That brings us to the end of this practice. We are pressing down. We're bringing our hands up, inhaling, exhaling down. We're pressing down again, releasing all that, any kind of excess energy, release it into the ground. Bringing this practice to a close. If you've come this far, I appreciate you spending the time with me. Take care, and we'll see you soon.